Two powerhouse website platforms. One big question, which one comes out on top? On one side, we have the all-in-one, user-friendly Squarespace. On the other, the flexible open-source Ghost. We're testing them where it counts: ease of use, customization, pricing, SEO, speed, content management, and more. Let's cut through the marketing talk and see what actually matters for creators and businesses. We'll award points in each category, so by the end, you'll know exactly which platform is the better fit. And trust me, the winner might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, let's zoom out for a second. Here's the big picture. We're going to look at price, performance, content and blogging, design and flexibility, ease of use, integrations and ecosystem, and, not to forget, ownership and portability. That's the map. We'll hit every one of these points. First up, the money talk. Price. So, Squarespace wraps everything, hosting, security, all that into one package. Super predictable, but yeah, those costs climb if you want, like, pro-level features. Ghost, on the other hand, if you self-host, it's literally free, like $0 for the software. But wait, there's a catch. You gotta handle the hosting and all that techie back-end stuff yourself. If you want their pro cloud service, at least the pricing is super upfront and none of that paying extra to unlock premium features. So, Ghost takes the win here, but only if you don't mind a little DIY. Next is performance. Squarespace is fast with its modern templates, and it's crazily reliable. I've seen sites up for years. But, and this is big, if you go ham with code or third-party stuff, it can start to slow down. Ghost is built on Node.js, and for real, it's speedy, like blink and your site loads kind of fast. And with clean code and built-in CDN, SEO just loves Ghost. One heads up for DIYers though, if you self-host, how quick it is totally depends on where you park it. Overall, Ghost just zooms ahead in pure performance. Content and blogging. This gets interesting. Squarespace? It's cool for basic blogs, really user-friendly, but nothing fancy. No built-in memberships or paywall stuff. Ghost though? This is its playground. Honestly, if you're a writer or creator, Ghost gives you this buttery smooth writing setup, full membership features, newsletters baked right in, and you can write in Markdown if that's your jam. Downside? No drag and drop for layouts, but if the writing is your scene, Ghost just wins this round, hands down. Oh, and here's something cool you probably didn't know. Ghost actually powers some big-name publications. But fun fact, it was started by a former WordPress guy who just wanted a better way to blog. Sometimes you really do just have to build it yourself, huh? Let's talk design and flexibility. And yeah, this is where Squarespace genuinely shines. Beautiful pro-level templates. You almost can't make an ugly site if you try. Tons to customize, super visual, no code required. The only snag? If you want to get deep in the code, most plans don't really let you. Ghost is kind of the opposite. Fewer themes, and they're a bit minimal on the visual side, but if you know your way around code, you can tweak everything. Still, in terms of pure flexibility for non-coders, Squarespace takes it. Alright, ease of use. Squarespace is basically made for beginners. It's got this super clean interface, you get 24/7 support, almost impossible to break things. But yeah, if you're a hardcore tweaker, you'll probably outgrow it fast. Ghost is, well, almost the opposite. Super logical if you're a writer, all signal no noise. But, and here's the thing, self-hosting Ghost can be a tech headache if you don't know your way around a server. Plus, not much in the way of hand-holding support. So, Squarespace wins here, no contest. On to integrations and ecosystem. Squarespace has an actual marketplace for apps. If you want e-commerce, booking systems, stuff like that, it's baked in. Just be ready to pay for some extras. Ghost? It's got some cool built-in stuff for newsletters, and if you're technical, the API is wide open for custom shenanigans. But if you want plug-and-play extras or tons of third-party support, you'll probably feel a bit limited. So, another point to Squarespace. Now, ownership and portability. Here's where things get real. Squarespace is reliable, all your hosting and updates just happen. But, and this is the big but, you are pretty much locked in. You can't just pick up your whole site and go. Ghost, you own everything. Open source, export whenever you want, take your content and run. If you self-host, you're the boss, but be ready to deal with the technical side. So, yeah, this is where Ghost completely takes the trophy. Right. Let's step back and look at the head-to-head here. If you stack up the scores, Squarespace dominates on visual design, ease, and integrations. But Ghost, it's all about top-tier writing, better ownership, and crazy speed. The chart just shows it totally different priorities, which is kind of wild. So here's my take. If you want a gorgeous website without thinking about code or hosting, like ever go Squarespace. But if you want to build a membership or newsletter site where the writing is the star plus you care about owning your stuff with no lock-in, Ghost is honestly the move. If this helped you make up your mind, awesome. Stick around for more no-nonsense guides and honest reviews. You know we're just getting started.